Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this very easy slippers. It's one piece, you will only make two grannies. You can use any granny square with this pattern, but I use um, regular grannies, so even if you don't know how to hold the hook, you can still make this. It's a starter project, and these ones are 37, 38, 6 or 7 for US, 4 or 5 for UK. This foot is a little bit small, so it looks bigger on it. And for these ones I used country wool Aran yarn from Utopia Crafts. You don't even need half of a ball. 100 grams is 170 meters. It's 20% wool, 8% acrylic. And hope you like this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. We can start now. Now we are gonna make a regular granny, but before starting I want to give you the measurements. So if you are using a different size hook or yarn, and maybe you're a loose hand crocheter, use the measurements, not the rows. I made 10 rows, by the way. It's 11 inches long, 28 centimeters for 37, of course. If you want to make it bigger, add one row for each bigger size. If you want to make it 38, add one more. For 39, add two row. If you want to make it smaller, just make one row less. We are going to start with a magic ring. Hold the yarn, wrap it around your fingers, wrap it one more time, but this time make a kind of cross. Insert the hook under this first strand, grab the second, pull it, make a twist. Grab the same yarn, make a chain. That's our magic ring. You can also chain 4, join from the first chain, and use this ring too, but this way there will be no hole. So I like to use this. Chain 2 more. That's our first double crochet. Into this ring we are gonna make 2 more double crochets. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make 1 more double crochet. That's our first set. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Close the ring. Instead of chaining 2 and join, we are gonna make only 1 chain. Insert into this third chain and put this tail on the top of your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Chain 3, turn. With this single crochet, we can directly start from this corner, and we are gonna make half of the corner first, and when we turn back here we will complete it. And I'm gonna hide the tail too. Insert into the corner, put 2 double crochet. With this it's 3. Insert into this next corner, make 1, 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 more doubles without chaining. Insert into this next corner, 3 doubles, 2 chains, 3 more doubles. And into this next corner make the same thing. Into this next corner make 3 double crochets, chain 1, join from the third chain, make a single crochet, chain 3, turn. Always turn your work, and with this way it looks better. You see this square, this square shape, it looks beautiful. If you don't turn your work, it will curl like this or this, not sure. Now into this space here I'm gonna put 3 double crochets. Into the corner, make the corner. It's always the same. 3 doubles, 2 chains, 3 more doubles. Into the space, make 3 double crochets. And then make the corner. You are going to repeat this as long as you want, as I explain you. We are here right now. We made a corner, a set between the corners. For the next row there will be 2 sets. For the next row there will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Oops. I will show you like this, okay? There is 8 sets. Keep going. Then I'm gonna show you how to join the piece. I complete 2 pieces. Now we are gonna join them. For the joining, we are gonna fold it like this. Okay, and we are gonna join here and here. But trickiest part is here. We are gonna join it with this way. So give this round shape, or it will look like an Aladdin Aladdin shoes. It could work too, but I don't like this kind of shoes, so I'm gonna join it with this way. I'm gonna use 3 sets. 1, 2, 3 with the corner, of course. Insert from one stitch, go out from the other one. Actually, we can start from this third stitch. It will be better, I think. You see, 1, 2, 3. Insert from this third stitch. Insert from next stitch. In the corner, you can use the chains. 1, 2, keep joining till you reach, let me see, here, this 1, 2, 3, 4th set here. Now I have 4 sets left. I'm gonna fold here and join these 2 sides together first. I will not cut the yarn, just go back. Now we are gonna join here. You don't have to make this last stitching and then hide the tail. Turn this. And fold here. Just a second. This feet is a little bit small. Ta-da! It's so easy, as you can see. This feet is 35, 36, and this one is for 37 and 38. So maybe it's not looking so good right now, but on your feet it will look perfect, don't worry. Okay, and that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, is also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.